Have you ever been in the middle of developing an app only to be stumped by a job ID collision? It can be a real headache, right? If that's you, stick around because today we're diving into how to determine a unique job ID in JobScheduler. I totally get it. When you're using third-party libraries that also schedule jobs, the last thing you want is for your job ID to clash with theirs. This is a common concern among developers, and you're definitely not alone in facing it. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, if I use a third-party library that schedules jobs, does that mean I can't use the same job ID as theirs? This is a great question and one that many developers have. Let's explore this together. So what's the deal with job IDs? According to the documentation, each job must have a unique job ID per user ID. This means that if two jobs share the same ID, it can lead to unexpected behavior. Understanding this is crucial for smooth app performance. And hang tight. I have a fantastic tip at the end that will help you avoid these collisions altogether. You won't want to miss it. To avoid collisions with job IDs when using a third-party library, the user should first understand the importance of unique job IDs. Each job scheduled must have a unique identifier within the same user ID. Next, the user can create a naming convention for their job IDs. This could involve prefixing the job ID with a unique string that identifies their application or module. Additionally, the user can implement a method to generate unique job IDs dynamically. This could involve using a combination of timestamps and random numbers to ensure uniqueness. Finally, the user should document their job IDs and the corresponding jobs they create. This will help in tracking and managing jobs effectively, reducing the risk of collisions. Fun fact, did you know that the concept of job scheduling dates back to the early days of computing? It's fascinating how far we've come, but job collisions still remain a challenge. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by another user is to calculate the MD5 hash of your package name. From this hash, you can take the last 4 bytes to create a unique job ID. This method significantly reduces the chances of ID collisions. Here's that tip I promised. Always document your job IDs and their purposes. This simple practice can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You now know how to determine a unique job ID and avoid collisions. Remember, keeping your job IDs organized is key to smooth app performance. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and don't miss our next video on optimizing your job scheduling.